Okay, first step, students, is to use the distributive property. So I'm going to multiply a times 5 to get 5a. And I'm going to multiply a times x to get ax. And that's equal to bx minus 8. I am going to use the magic bridge. I have a negative ax over here. I'm going to bring over this bx, and when I cross the magic bridge, it changes from a positive bx to a negative bx. Over here, I have a negative 8. I'm going to move 5a to the other side using the magic bridge, and when I do, it changes from a negative 5/8, or from a positive 5/8 to a negative 5/8. Next step, use the distributive property. We have x times negative a minus b, and that equals to 8 minus 5a. And then the last step is just to divide by the group a minus b. Well, it's negative a minus b. So your final answer is x equals 8 minus 5a divided by negative a minus b. The end.